na Outspa Show ena VTFM. Evento konikina.
Opunja celebrating 90 years.
Kay Vinod Patel.
VTFM kamida ngekachi.
Yan Rabinaka, welcome to Outspalang Show. Ni Rabinaka Turang Namarama, boys and girls. Yan Rabinaka to all the friends tuning in from overseas this morning, to all the neck workers and to all the passengers traveling in the bus, in the carrier, the minivan, the Subaru corridor. We say Yan Rabinaka and welcome to Outspalang Show. Kita Rabinaka telang abi kimrino kanta na siya mutsukuman na sa sabagara. And nairoro ni wanga bukalebu at Namaka in Nandi. To all the flight crew, in-flight crew, to all the pilots who are on day off today. Kita baru cili bikin ni. And people in bulan nonton bulan yang Rabinaka, nabi hotel ini bulan di Sarbanua. We say Yandra and welcome to Outspalang Show.
Yang tulang putung-putung pala pemain pun oleh New Zealand direktur bengkar tu kena orang nangol tu kena sisilan muaka. My Melbourne. Tu kena kon nakani factory ni wai ni lebu dondo New Zealand.
Wow.
Iyo.
Kau bulu mena kopa.
Bulu mena kopa me.
Sadina.
Ocer lebih kerap tinggal ngoni baini.
Iyo.
Era boleh kena tak tinggal na waini. Sarang itu nangon sama token na waini.
Iyo.
Sarang itu ngole mayor na bei tamata na bei tu dere.
Iyo.
Apa kata kena bei token ni bikam benlele.
Erbolis les.
Boleh selesai merang ngole mai merdo mai
Test.
test tak na waini. Ya en na pukul kena tak tu na waini ya. Pabili binak balik tu kena ngoni biti. Lebih kerap tinggal na senlo kamai Nusilandi.
Iyo.
En na pukul kena baru tak tinggal na ken tak na waini.
Ya seranga.
Iyo, sambuka caranga. Kena balik na wini ko rin bulit lang na grapes.
Bukan goreng, bukan serang goreng.
Kena apa na wini, na buni wini. Ito lang na buni wini.
Siang. Nada na waini.
Wini ni sa product.
Iyo.
Na waini.
Iyo na wini.
Iyo.
Orang numi bakata ka ng buo na sutal ka bayar ni
Na
bulbek
waini
na.
pulima ena pe matangali buata kereso.
Iyo.
Okay.
Nawin talaga rin lang may ko nawin ko na bunsinga na bundinga.
Iyo gori.
Ya.
Waka nga memburu
Na waini na buru.
The fruits kada tu kira na bika
taste.
ni iya.
Mapuke ni namitai.
Saya nga sa do tintag. Mita ko to kami bikin to nakabu-kabu di mata.
Sala reba toto mbule binaka bile seni akodi tu ineta we kola ni mata di Singapore ketawua anda binaka aubu mil na levu pon binaka to everybody joining this morning and also to the fellow friend Jay the Timbiu, good morning, and the family joining this morning, especially to everyone. Si Meli ni Matewalu, si Mex Hangonga my Newtown. Brother Jack kay Neoritu Nanunu, Tamaisaki, good morning. And also to everybody now, to Tem Servai, John Kumar, William Melinganganga, and everybody joining this morning.
Mana pun oleh tulung Australia.
Iya.
Saya mau tulung makino ino kendelai.
Oh.
Ngon na ito kiningil lebu may pulo bi melambas ang pulo bi nakay ino kendelai betul-betul na bubale. Arto saya mau may lambas na matak binani kuwa.
Yan rabna ka.
Kono bina tulungan ni tiku may pulo bi.
Iyo.
Melambas na matak binaka endai.
To the staff Evis rental nambua, nunggu kay umbongi kay nunggu turang ato bato sakyo bes. Sabon ni binato ningo na singa ni kuwa etangango, etambalira. Thank you very much for joining this morning. I see you.
Yeah.
I see you want to sleep.
Who me?
Yeah.
Maybe of the weather that we are.
Not only you.
Yeah.
We can feel too like the atmospheric, the feeling of maybe the coolness.
Iya.
The coolness and the windy of the windy.
Iya. Okay, dama dama pasal ver na tobi mati chiko siya ngawer na mabuwa.
Yeah.
Yan na bukunin raking ko this type of weather.
To all the superior.
Huh?
The superior, korek kata mabuwa.
Iya.
Italy onisiratabe.
Iya.
Samtang mengo may
Iyo may Italy.
Italy dong boleh binaka.
Iya.
Iyo. So to all the superior, the heading joining this morning. Some of us, this weather is unfavorable enough for ourselves.
Iya.
Due to the pain that we are feeling,
Iya.
we are like the animal.
Mosquito coil.
Mosquito kulgur na kuwi. So we are like animal. Whenever a weather coming, they know the animal. They can feel.
Iya.
So it's like that for us too.
Right.
If a weather coming like a weather, the heavy rain,
Iya.
the coldness, we can feel too.
Right.
Because of the pain in our knee, the pain in our shoulder. Some of us, there is a different kind of pain in this weather. Some they pain through the game they play, rugby. Some they pain because of their running from a
Bulbul.
bulbul they're running from their tabale
Yeah.
or their fathers-in-law
Yeah.
during the time of they needing something from the house.
Yeah.
Some they running because of they steal something.
Yeah.
They hating from there.
So mbuturaki rake
Some
maboa mai.
small mbuturaki.
Wana maboa na mbasi ke chukuran rakingo.
Iyo.
Yeah.
Some they are in an accident.
Yeah.
Some they fell to in the sea.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Maybe they bite the fish bite them sometimes.
Yeah.
Some they feel it when heartbroken.
Okay, Dems.
Heartbroken.
Ikaw mo dapat siguro mati. Baka ba so, baka may sampat-batang man na ngon ra baka
Yeah.
Baka duken ra mata na mata. What's the reason?
Okay, the reason is this.
Iyo.
Before we go to the reason, tulia sa Sikibikaw.
Iyo.
This is from Napay.
Iyo.
And from Nakorowo na Malatatay Lebu.
Dabo ng Korea.
Yeah, good morning to tulia sa Sikibikaw.
Yeah.
Lewa City.
Yeah.
Thank you very much for joining this morning.
Iyo.
Come.
Baka may non ra siguro mata.
Gori, baka may
Sinto ra maboa nothing of that type eh?
Because of the networking.
Oy.
Some of us we didn't wear any footwear when we doing the calling
Oy, right,
Yeah.
right.
in the night.
Iyo.
This is in the AM.
Iyo.
Some of us we don't care what we are wearing during the grog session.
Right. Ano sa ra ka?
Some of us we don't care anything when walking on a footpath. Remember,
Iyo.
coldness is like a cloud.
Iyo.
It's forming, and goes into a rain.
Right.
Right.
They are like to like that, the coldness.
Yeah.
The coldness, it's occupying,
Yeah.
occupying, and causing pain.
Right.
Era soko-soko muni na, and they don't go onto the long stretch of
Yeah.
our body.
Yeah.
Sila ko tisanganda.
Yeah.
Sila ko tilinganda.
Yeah.
They going into the
Join.
joint.
Yeah.
Na join, eh?
Yeah.
They go there. So when they were there joinees, they go and occupying.
Hide.
Hide there.
But how do they hide there? The cold.
Because cold
Yeah.
only can go
Oh,
in
it's
the
like a
joint.
cloud.
It's like a cloud.
Yeah.
So whenever you come into like this season, you
Yeah.
have to be careful of yourself.
Yeah.
Yeah.
When you go to the sunny days,
Uh-huh.
this is the time they coming to. They fighting like a thunderstorm.
Right.
Cold and hot, they comes together. That's why
Yeah.
when you come in the daytime, ngoni sunny,
Yeah.
ngoni raki kata-katukin, some of us with, hey, awuli nga. I'm sick.
Oy.
I'm sick.
Okay.
Sometimes it's happening
Yeah,
when we're wearing trousers,
Yeah.
and that trousers is wetting.
Yeah.
Sulusua in the hotness. That's like a month
Yeah.
will come in a time you'll feel sick
Don't know
and feel cold in hotness.
How about the people grogging at night with just wearing their vest?
They chose
Yeah.
their tattoo to everybody. They chose
Yeah,
they
yeah.
are body to everybody.
Yeah.
Because
But there will
some
come
of
a time,
us-
eh?
Yeah, there will come a time.
Yeah.
You can feel this because as gang,
Yeah.
our skin texture is different from anyone else.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Some of us can feel the pain, the coldness very easy. Some no. Some na kuline babaku. Some they are mamare.
Right.
Oh,
So you can go to that kind of life.
So what
Right,
can you
right.
do? What can you do to make your kulina babaku?
Eat a lot of mango.
Ito lang ng mango na na chesa. A mango skin. Yeah.
Yosef na imposa doon na may Rockhampton, my Queensland na namatari ko.
Tubayan raman
How
dabi.
about the people sitting on the cement there?
Ato ni tomber nilang debe na simente tubayan raman dabi momo.
Iyo.
Siya tumingo may soso na deba kandabu.
Oy.
Bimbu Josi and everybody tabalileli and
Yeah.
everybody joining from soso na deba. This morning all the village bimbu
Yeah.
Mbu.
Yeah.
Siya matong may kina. Thank you very much for joining this morning.
Iyo. People sitting on the cement.
People sit on the cement.
Yeah, what's your message to them?
Please. Cement is a man. Cement is a very strong. Cement is a very form of cold.
Yeah.
If you sit there in the cement,
Yeah.
if you sit in the cement, the cold is there too. So
Right.
if you sit there, if the cement is outside,
Yeah.
you can see a cement inside.
Right.
If you go outside, you sit in the cement, the atmospheric, the sea breeze, the land breeze coming,
Yeah.
they enter your blood
Yeah.
cell. and forming
So kaya
cords.
ko number 2 na cement you become a cement.
Iya. You a cement man. Oy gondo na mga takara.
Iya.
Ondo na kambuli. Ena bonua ndrabusinga.
Oh.
Iya. Boleh mena kakali di bedena. Bina boleh usara tina itu John. Tu tina Jos.
Iya.
Kedi Kemsi Mbaliwai.
Right.
Kem Rockhampton.
Iya.
Like Queensland Yosef
What's the best option? What's the best recipe to be hotness in this type of weather?
Marry. Mabawati. If you marry and you stay at home, you find a place of comfortable. You can feel the hotness in this weather. If you underway in this kind of weather,
Not bad.
and you hate
Yeah.
to take bola and kata-kata with you, and you hating stay at home, you're
Yeah.
moving around, you'll face.
Don't be gonna tell me.
You'll take at the machine. Thank you very much, John Kumar, Bill Tubebu, John Kumar,
Yeah.
Sakio Mode, Wanu ni binaka ni bengarabi tu na korobo na mala telebu,
Hey.
inapai, abate ke nabubale sema to mekina lewa sidi,
Yeah.
binabale buna sema to kumai na this morning.
Udah kami kini kan dapat kelihatan kan kita mata dengan nunggu kita mata kan lo ni studio nggak usah bakal cuma nabi mode bimbi cuna yango. Ya kita ni tak di nawar di bawah tahu tak cuna garabi tabi kini tak kau cuna udiwai ye.
Dil
Lo ni tete ni takos si udiwai ye. Akhirnya muni kagak di kata-kata balik sih nggak usah kita takos.
Dir toto.
Ni kila benda cuna menimbula. Buku ni kira ngan rebi na garabi tabi na koro. Bilang ni ngolo dapat kampung-kampung nabi kawo ya.
Iya.
Pernah tahu itu kira nan raka tak tukiran na yango. Buring karabi tabi na singa binang dikwa. Baru bilang bikin mana sama cuma nabi toli lihat sar mata kendai bikin mana nabi orang buru mana biasa berbura. Ni ada di mata binak.
Bina John Kumar Dilan Kumar from the Barana Road Singatoka.
Iya.
Bina boleh usaran dapat boleh mai. Bakatalan kira be Beverly Mode Tumba. Do sambulo bina bina boleh bentuk betul bina mata bina kan kuat. Bikin ni kita sarna sanggayar tongkor na mode ni sangat takut ni sampai remat tidak kaka.
Right.
Bisa ni bulu bina kan bina bakatalan kira bikin ni kita nama ramatina nabi balik kuro kita saresom.
Ano binak?
Buku ni kira pemputar ti na kata lau sosara kata lau tinggon na lubenta.
Iya.
Nangan ngarangol kini kuri bulu ben sentak kata lau talong kata tu ibale.
Do no binak.
Buku ni time dia sentak dungker apa? Singa binak ni kuai.
Bilang bikin mana kanda kita sama itu tahu ke num like heart mati ke na share. Sama cuma salika kamburak ingona VTFM go kurmundu.
Turun kata ni go.